Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you how to dress up your contact form on your DataZar website at connect.datazar.com. So let's go to datazar.com. We're going to get logged in. And we're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. So to work on the website, to adjust your contact form, you're going to click on the website button. This is where you find all the editing tools for pages, posts, templates, themes, settings. We're going to be working with pages today. That's where our contact form is. And also, when you're updating your website, use the public preview URL. It updates in just a few seconds, whereas if you have a domain, it'll be showing here, and it might take a couple of minutes to update. So let's take a look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And this is the website, one of the three we've been working with. Every website comes preloaded with a Contact Us page, and you'll find that on your bottom menu. We went ahead and moved it to our top menu as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to dress this up. We're going to add a greeting, a clickable email address, and a clickable phone number. Let's tab back over. And so we're back on Connect. We started on Dashboard. We went to the website button. Now we're going to click on Pages to edit our Contact Us page. And again, you'll find it on the bottom menu down here. We have it on we moved it to the top and the bottom menu. You can click on either of these edits. Let's go ahead and just click on this one. And we're going to scroll down to the editing screen. And right here in the editing box, you're going to see the contact form. This is actually the contact form here. So put your cursor in front of that, click Enter, and then move your cursor up. And then we're just going to go ahead and type in some words. I already have them typed out, so I'm just going to copy and paste them to save time. And so drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Let's go ahead and bold that, and let's go ahead and make it 14 point. We'll leave everything else at 12 point. And then the phone number here, we're going to make clickable. So what you do is you highlight the phone number and copy it. I'm doing Control-C right now. So I copied it into my clipboard. Then I'm going to click the Insert Edit Link icon. I'm going to type in TEL : and then paste the phone number. And then this is how it's going to display right here. But make sure you have the TEL : in front of the phone number to make it clickable. Click OK. Now the phone number is clickable. And then the same with the email address, support@AAAOutdoorscenes.com. Let's go ahead and highlight this. So you highlight that, do Control-C, copy it into your clipboard. It's the same thing that we just did with the phone number. So click on the Insert Edit Link icon. This time we're going to do mail to : and then we're going to paste it. So it's mail to : in front of your email address, and then this is how it'll display here. You click OK, and you now have your phone number and email clickable, or fill out the contact form below. So that looks great, and we can go ahead and scroll down and click Update. Okay, so we've updated our contact form. We dressed it up. So let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And this is the Contact Us page. We're going to go ahead and refresh this. And there it is. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Here's the clickable phone number. Here's the clickable email address. It makes it real convenient and easy for people to get a hold of you. And if they prefer, they can fill out this contact form and click Submit. When they fill out the contact form, you'll actually get an email with this information sent to you. So let's tab back over. And before we leave, let's take a quick look at our Help button. And featured tutorial videos are excellent. The Help Center is excellent. This will take you, if you click on Help Center, it takes you to help.datazar.com. We have all these different categories. If you click on Website Help, there's a bunch of different tutorial videos to help you out, including our featured tutorial videos. So let's tab back over, back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to dress up your contact form on your DataZar website at DataZar Connect.